you have to use identity. You need to relate between tangent and cos. So that's going to be this one. So it's going to be 1 plus tangent square theta equal to sec²θ. So we know that sec²θ is equal to 1 over cos theta. So sec²θ it's actually 1 over cos²θ. So now 1 plus this thing over here. So that's going to be negative square root 5 over 5 square equal to, now secant square, we're going to substitute this 1 over cos²θ. Now rearrange this 1 plus 5 over 25. That's just going to be 1 over 5 equal to 1 over cos²θ. It's just going to be 6 over 5 equal to 1 over cos²θ. Now since we want to solve cos, we cross it. So you're going to get cos² equal to 5 over 6. Okay, and square root both sides. You will have cos² equal to plus minus square root 5 over 6. But you need to remember this is tangent. So add sugar to coffee. It is in quadrant number 3 where only tangent is positive. Now whenever you want to find cos in quadrant number 3, cos will be negative. So our final answer would be cos², it's equal to negative square root 5 over 6. So this is the marking scheme. The final answer is negative 5 over 6, which is this one. So I'm going to get 1 mark for this. And then the working is that I need to get to this point, which is this one. So I have 1 mark over here. So let's move on. For this one, it's the same thing, that you need to use the identity. Oops. It's the identities over here. Now you want to find sin²θ. What can we relate if it's a sin²θ? So from here, we can relate sine and cos together like that. sin²θ plus cos²θ equal to 1. Now, we already have our cos, which is this value. But then this is square, this is just cos²θ. Let's substitute that. sin²θ plus 5 over 6 equal to 1. So sin²θ will be 1 minus 5 over 6. So sin²θ will be 1 over 6. Now we square root both sides. We're going to get sin² equal to plus minus square root 1 over 6. Now again, this is tangent positive, so it's in quadrant number 3, and sine in quadrant number 3 will be negative. So we're going to have our final answer in negative square root 1 over 6. And to get until here, negative 1 over 6, I'm going to get 1 mark. Okay, this is it. Let's move to question number 3. So you have secant² plus cotangent θ, and then you need to rewrite it in this format. What we need to do is, first let's write all the things that we already have. We have cos², that is negative 5 over 6, set. And then we also have sin², which is negative 1 over 6, right? Let's find secant. So we know secant² is just 1 over cos². So that's going to be 1 over square root 5 over 6. Rearrange this, we're going to get negative 6 over 5. And then let's find cotangent. Cotangent θ is just cos² over sin². Then we substitute everything that we know. Negative 5 over 6 over negative 1 over 6. Now simplify this. Negative and negative will be cancelled. And then what you're gonna get is 5. Let's separate them. Okay. And then now 6 and 6 can be cancelled. So what's left is just square root 5. Okay. Now since we need to do it in this way, which is sec²θ plus cotangent theta, and then we have our sec²θ, which is this one. We also have our cotangent theta, which is this one. So I'm going to substitute everything in. Sec²θ is negative square root 6/5 plus square root 5. You need to rewrite this in this format. This is over 1. And then if I separate this one is going to be like this. So, oops, that is 5. So, times square root 5 times square root 5. So, plus 5 over square root 5. Negative 6 plus 5 over 5, or I can rewrite it 5 minus square root 6 over square root 5. The form is a plus b square root c over square root 5. So here our a is 5, our b is negative 1, and our c is 6, and that's it. Okay. So 5, negative 1 and 6 and 5. So this is 1 mark. And as long as you know that sec² plus cotangent theta is equal to 1 over cos theta plus tangent theta, this one, and then you substitute that in, you're going to get 1 mark. So the total mark for this one is just 2 marks.